going to share my screen now.
Yeah, I can see.
You can see. Oh, thank you. Simple enough only. Okay, now you can see my Excel sheet as well.
Yes, I can see.
So we have a learn home insert. Okay, insert. We are learning, and I told you I will teach you a chart. Okay, how can we design charts, right?
Mhm.
And okay, then draw. Okay, draw. I will teach you in a last moment. Okay, it is nothing. Okay, but definitely we can draw. Okay, we can see, and that is a, I told you the formula is a very important, right? And then data. Okay,
Yes.
just we have to understand how can insert the data from outside or like your desktop. What is a review?
Oh,
Nothing else. Review means like just whatever we have done, we have to review and review like in this development. So this is you are talking about you won't learn. This is the macros, right? I will definitely will
okay.
teach okay macros, but not.
Mhm.
And I tell you one thing, if I missed, okay. So
Mhm.
tomorrow I won't be available. We have a festival, okay, tomorrow. So I will
Okay.
teach you on Monday.
Mhm.
Fine. So
Okay.
if we cover the formulas, okay, data, then I will teach you the development. Right now.
Okay.
So
Okay.
now we are learning. Okay. So I think we have created this one, right? Okay.
Yeah.
So now we are learning how to design chart, right?
Yeah.
In Excel, this is the part. Now we have to understand what is the mean of chart. Okay, I want to explain it. What is the mean of chart? Okay, so charts in pivot Excel. So you understand, okay, the two joint tables for an Excel pivot tables without using manual VLOOKUP formulas, you can either use Power Query. So what is meaning? Okay, I tell you. So the Power Query in a Power Pivot, okay, it is a part of Power BI as well. Okay, that's I want to
Okay.
show you. So it's a Power
Mhm.
BI. Okay, it's a 90% like a formulas. A 90, not a 90. You can say more than 90s. Okay, the similar
Okay.
formulas to Excel. So what they have like created to Power BI, they inspired through the Excel, and then they have created a Power BI, right? So you understand what does it mean? The tables, and we want to visualize the data, okay, in a chart, okay, and to show because we have a million of data, it is difficult to analyze the whole data without showing the chart. Am I right? So there's a things here. Okay, why I showed you, you can get some idea now. So suppose I don't want make no data. We can take a range, or otherwise we can like a click here, right? Whatever you want. Second is insert. Okay, and directly you can go in a pivot chart. But what is difference if I make a pivot table? Okay, both table. So definitely we get some like a tables where we can filter, right? We can make a filter.
Mhm.
Okay, if I
Mhm.
click here pivot chart, so we will get a two option. Is a one table, one is a chart. Right there.
Mhm.
Okay, I want a new worksheet. Okay, so why I told you this one. Okay, if I go here insert, okay, in pivot, we will get this one only, right? Am I right?
Yeah.
Okay, but here we are getting because I got in a pivot chart. We got both, right?
Chart. Mhm.
I can show you
Mhm.
again this one. Wait, going to delete this
Okay.
one. Again, okay. So here, okay, here you can say this is a pivot chart, okay. And if
Yeah.
I click here, or I like this one. We are getting this one only, right? So we can filter. Where we can filter from here, right?
Yeah.
So we have like a filter, rows, columns, value everywhere. Am I right? We do this.
Mhm.
But I want, because we need this anyhow, right? If I deleted this and if I click on,
Pivot chart.
yeah, I click on only the pivot chart, so we are getting a,
Only pivot chart.
am I right? So what does that mean here? It means we are like a
Hello.
calculation. Hello. Yes.
Ah, yeah, yeah. I can hear you. Yeah.
Yeah. So you can see my screen as well, right? So if
Yeah, yeah. I can see.
I want a both thing in the same time, okay. So what? How can we do?
Pivot table and chart.
Right.
Okay.
So we have a like a small data, so we can go accordingly. Like this is small data, okay. So if you get like a complex data in a thousands, okay, like a 10 lakhs, okay, more than 10 lakhs, we can store reports here or go here. So if we have them, so we will get multiple things right now. So
Mhm.
suppose I want here, what you want? I want like name, okay, name.
Mhm.
You can see your name, right? We got in the
Mhm.
name, am I right? We got the name here.
Yeah.
So without this, okay, we can't do this. Okay, I tell you, it automatically will open. Okay, and what we want here, we want city, am I right?
Mhm.
Or then I want the salary, am I right? So what is the mean here? If
Okay.
I specific city want to choose here, I get it. So the data is automatically changed.
Mhm.
So what do you mean this? I would like to know what do you understand?
In this chart, so according to the city, like we filter only the names. Like if you're filtering the city, so we can filter the particular people. Like whoever
Yes,
is like,
but I
yeah.
tell you, yeah, you are right. But what is the right way to talk? We
Mhm.
want the candidates for a specific city. So we can filter, and we want only Bangalore guys.
Okay. Mhm.
We want is the Chennai guys, right? Let's see.
Mhm.
Get a Chennai. How many people in the Chennai?
Mm.
People are in
City people.
Chennai. But
Mhm.
let's see. I want Delhi guys.
Mhm.
Right. So it means we
Okay.
have a millions of data and we get easily analyze the data using the visualization. Am I right? Am I right?
Mhm. Yes.
Now I want a specific person. Okay. So what is a specific
Mhm.
person? Suppose we have a Anjali, we have a Z. I want a Anjali only. Let's see. So we have a Anjali. It's Anjali in a Delhi. So we get only one candidate. Right? Now I want a J as well. Let's see two candidates. We get a J.
Mhm.
All right. So
Mhm.
whatever.
Mhm.
Now, okay. Make all cities and well. Got it. Now this is a sum of salary. Okay, as I have a
Mhm.
given you idea, I want here like average salary. Okay, so we get average salary as well. You can see here. So what is the mean
Mhm.
here? Okay, one thing what I'm going to do in this field. Let's see.
Okay.
Then we can get better understand. Okay, what is this?
Mhm.
So this is the average salary. Okay, when if
Mhm.
I click here, we don't get it's this like rows columns, the filter options
Okay.
removed. When I click here,
Mhm.
automatically come. So some people's confused. Oh, where is the option? So just you have to click here. Don't need to like a confuse. Okay, now
Mhm.
so if these are things, if I want a column, okay, I have already given the idea, like a column.
Mhm.
How can we make a
Mhm.
column? We can make a column from here, like
Mhm.
like a city. Am I right? So
Mhm.
city here, you
Mhm.
can change the automatically the R design is a change here, right? Am I right?
Mhm. Yeah.
Okay. So have you? I would like to understand before this. Have you designed? charts in
Yeah.
Excel?
Yeah, I did for my thesis and
Right, you
I
told.
did for my business.
Now, okay, I click here. Okay, one thing. If I want to make this change here,
Mhm.
what you will do? You will make here.
So there will be some edit, right?
Right,
Like,
right, correct.
yeah,
You can
we
edit here.
can
So
edit.
as per
Yeah.
your choice, you can do this, right? Here we
Hmm.
make here.
Yeah, we can even remove it
We
if
can
we
remove
don't
it,
require.
right? You want this as
Yeah.
well. Whatever you want, you can make it again, right? And here, one
Mm-hmm.
thing. So here, what is the mean here is a Bangalore, guys. Okay, the Bangalore. We are showing these are the like Kumar Raj, okay, in Chennai, Anjali as in
Mm-hmm.
Delhi, okay, and Sara is in Chennai, okay. Am I right?
Mm-hmm.
So what is the
Yeah.
mean here? You can see, okay, yeah, these guys. Okay, it's a better to understand. So who are in Bangalore? Is Kumar Raj and Shara in Bangalore and Chennai. Who's are in Chennai? Ramesh Salvi in
Mm-hmm.
Chennai. Okay, and you
Mm-hmm.
can this also like you can small or wide the column as you comfortable, and let's write this. What is the grand total? But what here I want, okay, the max salary. What is the max salary? Here you get a max salary as well, right? What is the max salary here? You can know 8,000. Am I right?
80,000.
Yeah,
Mm-hmm.
sorry, 80,000, right? And I want here again, I want this like a Chennai's people, I want to check here. So here in the Chennai is 80,000, right? Or if I
Mm-hmm.
want 70,000, right? So
Mm-hmm.
if, okay, so you know this, okay, you understood how to design it, right? Now I want to change this, okay, here. So I don't want this is a bar chart, right? It's a bar chart.
Mm-hmm.
I want as a pie chart. The pie chart, which pie chart you want like this, you can make it accordingly. Tell you here. You can get this. Alright? You can get this.
Mm-hmm.
And is a bar chart what like 2D column, 3D columns, okay. And to the war what you want, you can make it, you can change as per your uh, comfortable, okay, or what you want exactly like this, or like this as well, okay, and or like a 3D bar as well. Am I right? So for your understanding, like this, I change all, or I can make all. So maybe make you understand better. Okay, I think I didn't this. Okay, let's again I explain it like this. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
so now, okay, I okay, one minute. So, or we have a more option as well. We can go on a more.
Mm-hmm.
Whatever you want, you will get it. Waterfall, okay. Stocks like this, like which one is a funnel chart. I want a funnel chart. I think funnel chart is not option. It is a funnel chart can't create this chart have the data inside. Okay. What can do this? You can this line, you can line this line one, right? So here we can also got this line one. Okay. So whatever we have, but I want to show you now. Now pivot one as well you understood now. So there is a multiple charts available. So you can't create this chart, tap the tab inside the pivot, please select a different chart. Okay. So like it's totally depend on you what kind of chart. Sometimes it's a paid or unpaid. It's like a paid unpaid means you are using the Excel or working
Mm-hmm.
organization. So they are giving the
Mm-hmm.
services. So you can use what you want a histogram. Let's see Instagram is
Mm-hmm.
working, not working Instagram also. Column, okay. So like a box
Mm-hmm.
is also not okay. So I don't have a and now here what like I want to I think this will also not work. Okay, field map it's not work because it's also here we require the permission. Okay. So some is a permission. I think it's also permission. Uh, I think this just no need to put right. And okay, mostly what so we mostly use this these charts, line charts. Okay. this. You can see mostly in like offices, in companies, or like in televisions. This you watch the match. Okay, so you will get this kind of the chart, right? Am I right?
Mhm.
Okay,
Yeah.
so you make a multiple chart here. Am I right? So
Mhm.
how can we
Mhm.
create the charts? We understood this, right? And now, do you have any like confusion and doubt? You can tell me, please.
No, no, not now.
Not now.
I
So
don't have
you know,
anything.
so I tell you there are multiple things. This is like a illustration. Illustration is
Mhm.
pictures. Okay, what you want add. Okay, insert any picture from your laptop. Okay, like your
Mhm.
office logo. I don't have
Mhm.
any
Mhm.
logo in my, so I will, let's see, is there any logo or not in my system? I would like to show.
Mhm.
Wait, notes, is the logo or not logo? Wait. Is there any logo? I will show you logo. Let's see. This is the logo, right? I
Mhm.
want, so it's mean, okay, it means this is the logo and you want to show in your chart, okay? Like here, you can make it small. Okay, could be, yeah, like here. Okay, you make the field, you can make here, right? So you can use like this, okay? And
Mhm.
suppose using now, okay, this and then what it will say. You want any save?
Mhm.
What like use? How can you use? You know, uh, what is word page, right? And am I right?
Yeah.
The word
I
page,
never used this.
right? Word page, and I you want to any arrow, anything else like this? I show you which one like this. You want to particularly show this one, okay, in here, okay, am I right? You
Mhm.
can show
Mhm.
like this, okay. And so this is the icons only you can use, or how to utilize totally depends on you. Okay. So basically, people don't teach to students about it. Okay. Now, one what is the thing here? This is the important. Okay, is a slicer, is a filter. We have already the filter. Let's see how can we use the filter. We can go here. We can also select from here like this, whatever you want. Okay, you can
Mhm.
use like this. You can see you will get this salary, or you can make
Mhm.
this
Mhm.
one as well here. Okay. So this is the slicer. Okay, and you want
Mhm.
more. Okay, whatever. So you can use. Okay, like this. I can move this.
Can
Okay,
you click that one? That slicer?
which one?
Yeah, I mean, there is
Name,
a
name,
thing called data model. Yeah, just give something and say, I just give okay.
salary. Okay, two or three columns you want, right? Let's see.
Okay.
Two, three columns. Okay. What is the mean here? Okay, we got the three things, right? Let's see.
Okay.
See
And can go to insert again?
where, okay, you want like you want anything else. Okay, so you will get what is the
Ye-
mean? What is the mean? Here you are clicking,
No,
setting your
no,
tab.
I'm not thinking that. There is, I have seen some other option. Can you just go to insert?
Okay, wait, I'm just removing these. Okay, let's see. You are talking about okay, insert. Okay, then insert. This is slice.
Yeah,
This is
slicer,
slicer.
but you have showed some other thing like a customization thing, right? There is some
Where
option came.
where is the timeline? This slice. You know, I'm
I don't
talking
know.
about the filter. I'm talking about the filter. There's a two things: this slicer and timeline.
Yeah, but there is a thing, something is pop up and there is an option called data model. So I just thought, okay, to ask question,
Here,
but I don't know where. Yeah,
here,
where did you get that?
you're
Not
talking,
this pop up. Next to this, and next to that.
I
So
think
the third thing, I don't know
this
whether
one
maybe
is a timeline. Okay,
not
okay, I tell you.
not that one. But okay, it's okay. I'll
Wait,
check it out on myself, and if
wait, wait,
I
wait, wait,
get a
wait.
doubt,
I,
I can.
you are, we're talking about these lines. We have already worked the columns lines. Let's see.
Not
So
this,
we have,
but it actually came from the slicer, I believe. No problem. We can do something
wait, wait,
like
wait,
definitely I
wait,
will
wait,
practice it.
wait. Don't need to
Okay.
worry. I will check it. When you're talking. So actually, no slicer we get only these. Why we get? Because two or three things, okay, and then whatever you want to like a filter, and you will get the output accordingly. That's the simple. So it's like a highlighted, non-highlighted. Multiple
Okay.
highlights you want,
Mm.
multiple highlights. You get a multiple highlights. Okay, that's data model. I think you're talking about this one. I think no.
Yeah, I don't know. Not this one. There is a other thing popped up.
Okay, maybe let's see. I'll check this. I think you're talking about this one only, right? Data model, right?
Maybe
This
I
one.
if I practice and then I can get some clarity about my doubt, then I can get back to you on Monday about like what did I actually talk about. But now, okay, you can continue. Maybe we can put the next
Okay.
thing.
When I check myself, where is that data model here? Data model, definitely data model. Okay. Here, maybe
Mhm.
data model. Uh, check it. Wait a minute. Checking.
No problem. Oh, okay, no problem.
What do you understand about the data model? I teach you.
Okay, sure.
Do you understand the data modeling?
Yeah, I understand this thing, like
Data
how to do
modeling
this
means
chart.
yeah, no.
Mhm,
I tell you, data modeling. We have a multiple table. We have a now one table. Okay. So we
mhm,
have a
mhm.
multiple tables, and we make a relationship between the tables. If we make a
Mhm.
proper relationship between table, it's called a data model.
Okay, okay.
So we use in Power BI. We use here as
Mhm,
well, but how can we use?
mhm,
We use the multiple tables. So that's I'm
mhm,
confused. How can we get a data
mhm.
model? Am I right?
Okay,
So
okay, 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 got it.
so data modeling, I teach you again. Okay, I will teach you in Power BI in SQL as well. Data modeling is a very
Mhm,
important. Without data
mhm.
modeling, you can't create a like a you can't make a tables, okay, or you can't make a relationship. Or without relationship, you can write the functions, okay, whatever functions you want to write, and then you can't write the or you can't show the right visualization in the reports. Understood?
Okay.
Understood?
Yeah, understood.
So what is the
Yeah.
mean? Data modeling. It is a
Mhm,
relationship between two or more than two tables. I
mhm.
think you have a learn from your data modeling. I think you saw this.
Maybe
Maybe because
something.
maybe because reason behind it. Sometime because
Mhm,
what I'm open and then my screen reflecting after few seconds in your screen. Am I
mhm,
right? Am I right?
mhm, mhm,
Okay.
maybe.
So yeah. So now I told you these are symbols. Okay. What are the symbols we can use? Like we can see symbols. Okay, this is the equation symbol. We don't use the
Mhm,
tags. We have all learned what kind of tags. Okay, the link that. But this is an important part of the filter timeline. Okay, we can use, but timelines we use a user timeline to filter dates. Right? We don't have a
mhm,
dates in this. Table, so we can't use. If we have a table, we create. You can create a table and make a dates column, then you can use this. Okay, fine. And we now is a this is a recommended chart. Okay, if you have a confusion, you can use this. Okay, and then they will give you some recommended charts. You can you can select accordingly. Okay, and you can screenshot. Okay, I will not explain this. You know, screenshot. So
Okay.
now is a draw. I tell you tomorrow. I mean a Monday. Okay,
Okay.
it's because this is
Okay.
the we don't use mostly the 99% we don't use. In if you
Mm-hmm.
want make any presentation, specific presentation, you want to draw anything, then you can use this. Okay, but I will teach you also. Okay, now
Mm-hmm.
what I want to teach you. Okay, let's see. I'm in a correct page. I will teach you formula. So why? Okay, formula. What is mean a formula? I will explain everything. Let's see what I'm going to do. No. Or wait a minute. Okay. Then I copy and create new line, new sheet. Okay, and then I will make. We will change something here. Okay, and then we will use. So can we take 2 or 3 minutes break?
Yeah, sure, sure.
Okay, so you can take some water. I will take some water as well. Okay, and then we'll come back.
Yeah, sure. Okay.
Sure. Okay.
Sure, sure.